Hi everyone, welcome back to the summit. I'm super excited today. I know you've been hearing that on all of these videos, but I can tell you that this is something that you have never seen before. I am going to show you a new app that is very new to the market, just a couple of months old in the way it is built at the moment. It is amazing. As you know, I've been putting together this summit to help all of you understand influencer marketing better. And I've been searching high and low for different apps and different influencers and different store owners to bring us the information that we need to help you get a full rounded understanding of influencer marketing. And I came across this app only a couple of days ago. So I'm getting ready to finish up the summit, getting all the recordings organized, and came across this app in a Facebook group, and I went, wow, I need to get these guys onto an interview because this has just blown my mind, completely blown my mind. So you need to stay tuned. You need to keep watching. This is amazing. You're going to find out so many things that you've never heard of before. This app is doing something that no other app is doing that I've ever seen. And of all the interviews that we've done, this is something completely different. So I've got Matan with us, and he is the owner, the founder of Swave. And Swave is an app where you can actually get your normal customers to become your influencers. So this is something very different. I'm sure we're going to see a lot more of this sort of thing starting to come out, but what you're going to find out today is someone that's doing it, the first ones to market to do it, and doing it in an amazing way, and they are getting amazing results. The reason why I came across them and reached out to them was because in the Facebook group where I found them, there was a post from some random person talking about this app saying, you need to get this app because I've had so much success with it. And I started reading all the different comments, and I had so many people in this feed saying, yes, me too, I'm loving it, I'm getting so many great results. And so I reached out to the team and just said, hey, do you want to come on this summit? So they didn't understand my enthusiasm until I've spoken to them today, just how excited I am. And Matan has explained to me that everyone's getting really excited. So I want you guys to be the first to know about this. Well, one of the first to know about this app because it's seriously exciting. So let's introduce Matan and find out more information. We're going to ask him lots of questions. I'm going to be learning a lot at the same time because this is new and no one's doing it. So Matan, welcome. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for interviewing us. Great being here.
Wonderful. You know, like I just introduced you, I'm so excited. I've been excited about every interview I've done on this. And the reason why is because I'm passionate about influencer marketing and I know it really works. And everyone I've reached out to has been someone that I can see is going to really help merchants understand how to understand this world better, because I think that it's so new and there's so many new things going on. And Swave is one of those examples of an app that's doing something really different and really new. So I'm so excited. Can you tell us a little bit about the history? You told me before that you started off just as one of those normal influencer apps and you built this because of what you saw. Can you just tell us a little bit about that first before we get into what the app's all about?
Sure thing. So we launched Swave, we launched the company a year ago. We started with influencer marketing, with traditional ones. During the micro ones, we built technology even earlier, all based on AI. We have a very technological team behind us. And we started doing the influencer campaign, and we suffered from the same things that other influencer companies suffer, that I won't get into right now. But we saw some sort of an abundance of micro to large influencer marketing companies, and we tried and we wanted to do something different. The thing that always guides us is the fact that everyone has influence. This is something that guides us personally, something that we believe in. If it's a celebrity or a social celebrity, or a large influencer, micro influencer, or the other guy on the street, he has his family and friends, his peers, he has influence on them. And one thing that we've learned from our previous history with the influencer campaigns, that the influencers that work best for the companies, for the brands that collaborate with them, is not necessarily about followers count or the demographic of the audience. All of those are important and super important even, but the emotional attachment that the brand has with the influencer is is very, very important, because then the influencer becomes a authentic ambassador for the brand. He creates the extra, he's doing the extra for that brand. And we learned that, and with all those demographic and followers and all those parameters into the algorithm, and we understand that we need to go to a different direction, that everyone can participate in this amazing industry called influencer marketing, or user-generated marketing. And what we've done is we created this new platform that is able to that we offer to brands to turn each and every customer to a brand ambassador. We're talking about thousands of content, thousands of ambassadors that work with the brand and post about him online on his Instagram account currently, with branded content, stories, you name it. This is what we do. This is what we believe in, and this works great.
Yeah, fantastic. Let's tell people a little bit more exactly what Swave is, because I'm sure people are now thinking, wow, this is sounding really interesting, but what is it exactly? So can you just walk us through exactly what Swave is as a platform to a merchant?
Yeah. So as I said, like, Swave is a platform where you turn your customers into brand ambassador. And what does it mean? It means that the customer walks into the store, like any other store, like currently an online store. He looks for the stuff that he wants to purchase, and our platform engages with that person, uncovers his social persona, calculates, even our algorithm calculates his value for the brand, and offers him and motivates the customer to become a brand ambassador and post about his purchases on his Instagram account with cashback discounts. What does it mean? I give you an example. Like, a customer walks and wants to buy a shirt, for example, a shirt in a brand he loves, and our platform engages with that person and tell him, hey, you have an active Instagram account, you have a couple of hundreds of followers. What about you getting a 10% or 10% cashback when you purchase an item, when you get the item back at your home, and post about it online. Tell your friends about this new amazing item that you just get. Just remember to tag the brand. That way we are able to create thousands of contents on a daily basis for our customers, for our clients, the brands. And the customers basically get cashback incentives after they post on their Instagram account, which is basically a win-win situation for both sides. So this is basically what we do. This is our core business. I can tell you that we took another step after we created, now that we have like thousands of content, of branded content, tagged content on Instagram, we started thinking what we can do with it and what the brand can do with it. He has so much content now, 100%, 200% more than he had before. What can he do with it? And the thing is, with content coming from those customers and from those brand ambassadors, or even big time influencers that love the brands that they purchase them regularly. They are people just like us, and they love to buy products and the brands they love. And so the thing is very, very authentic. It's very, very it's attached, and it can create an emotional attachment and authenticity and value to the other customers that see those content, see this content. So basically what we did is that after the customer posts on his Instagram account, our platform covers the consent to use that content automatically built into our platform.